Hello, my name is Michael Anderson, and I graduated from SUU in 1975 with a degree in chemistry. While at SUU, I had the opportunity to work in student government with Ken Benson, Mindy's father. He was the director of student activities at the time. I have to admit, I really looked up to him, and it was easy since he was 6'10" or something like that. He's very tall. But more than that, he was like a second father to me. When I arrived in Cedar City, I knew exactly what I wanted to do, but I also held some very significant doubts about my ability to achieve those goals. Along with Ken Benson, some very special professors stepped into my life and helped me find my stride. Among those was Dr. Joseph Comp, the organic chem teacher. That intimidated me, and I just ended up having a wonderful time, and he talked me into being a chemistry major. I do understand that there's a new sheriff in town now in the form of Ty Red, who has got an amazing organic chemistry program. I look forward to meeting him someday. After I left SUU, I went to the University of Utah School of Medicine, and then on to University of Pittsburgh, back to University of Utah, and I've been in St. George now for 35 years, practicing general orthopedics with a special interest in hip and knee replacements. I first met Mindy Benson when she was a young girl, probably middle school, and I've been close to the family ever since. I was thrilled when the search committee came up with Mindy as the next president for the university. I don't think they could have made a better choice. In my opinion, she's eminently qualified, and I have to say that I don't think I know of anybody who loves SUU as much as Mindy Benson. As for me and how SUU has blessed my life, I'm convinced that I would have been passed over or trampled under had I attended any other college or university. For that reason, I've gratefully assisted in establishing a pre-med scholarship fund in the name of Mindy's father, Ken Benson. I invite anyone that's interested to contribute to that fund to help build the endowment so that it can bless others and help them find their stride. Congratulations, Mindy, the next president of SUU. I look forward to working with you. Thanks.